Les and I just got to Java, Indonesia with Ole Henricksen. You can kind of see, I know it's a mess, but look at how cute this is. So we've been here for like not even 24 hours and Les is already breaking stuff. Look at, where's the head at? Babe, what happened? What happened?
Gave it 3 jabs to the face and the left hook. It was down. It's out for the count.
With the drone?
There you go. Head down, man down.
Look at, I couldn't even get like a cute little video of the what is this, floaty, because somebody chopped the head off.
Had to get the shot. He said.
You straight up snapped its head. Poor thing. We are headed on our morning hike, okay?
Shayla talked me into it.
Yeah, I did. I said we need to, you know, be healthy.
I'm already tired walking up this fucking hill.
Shay, you hanging in up there? Hanging in? She's quiet. She's focused. I'm breaking a sweat yet, but
Whew. Hella sweating.
come on.
Like I'm sweating for the both of us, honestly.
Yeah.
Didn't work.
Give him a little stretching.
Oh man, about to do some
the
kung
abs
fu fighting.
activated?
That looks like they're activated.
Hey.
Flex one time, flex one time.
We made it to the top. Thanks to my walking stick.
Jay, you did it.
We did it.
You survived.
We survived.
Insane. Look at this view.
Pretty.
Looks so beautiful standing right here.
And usually you can
Oh, looky. Wow. Where's our hotel? Down there.
We made it.
We made it?
Yep.
Man, finally back. How was it?
My calves are burning. They're like really tight. Going up was fine. Coming down, I was like, oh.
The face.
I'm headed to get a facial right now, but let me tell you, that hike wore me out. Like I could fall asleep right now. I'm so exhausted and my legs are still shaking. So the facial was amazing. I'm not even gonna put makeup on. Like this whole trip, I just feel like thugging it out with my skin. You know what I mean? We're about to hit up one of the 8 wonders of the world, the largest Buddha temple. Wait, I might be a little tipsy. We're about to hit up one of the largest Buddhist temples in the world, one of the 8 wonders of the world. Did I get it right?
Yeah, you got it right. Yeah. Check it out, one of the 7th or 8th wonders of the world.
It's the 8th.
8th? It is the 8th?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's the number 8. Wow.
Uh-huh. No, not the 8th. It's one of the 8 wonders of the world.
Well, I'm excited. It's gonna be fun.
Hi. Oh, hi. Hi, I'm just vlogging everyone unexpectedly. Hi. Don't at me. How about you wear
do not at Shayla.
How about,
because she is a balanced individual.
how about, listen, I'm wearing more of Desi's glasses than she is on this trip.
I'm not even wearing glasses.
Don't at me, okay? I've had a couple
Coupon
drinks.
code or what?
I've had a couple drinks at the
Oh, you
podium.
did? So you're in a good mood. She's in a good mood.
I'm in a very good mood.
Tipsy Shayla.
I'm not, girl, I do not drink.
She starts to do this a lot.
Yeah.
When she starts to do this a lot, that's when I'm like, oh god. Yeah, I'm like, girl, I'm not tipsy. I only had 10.
Are you excited?
I am so excited. I mean, one of the wonders in the world.
I know, one of the 8th, right?
Yes.
One of the 8
I'm
wonders of the
thrilled.
world.
So, big adventure.
Yes, so exciting.
I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
Breakfast in bed. Breakfast of champions. Must be nice. Huh. To eat whatever you want all the time. Another breakfast? Yes, he has 2, okay. Because 1 isn't enough ever. And this is my breakfast, guys. Coffee, because I'm fasting. I ate late last night, so I'm gonna try and fast for at least like 15 hours. And you could have coffee on a fast, so I mean, this view is just never gonna get old. It's so pretty here. So we're having a little impromptu photo shoot, okay?
Yes. Girls' day.
Girls' day. We're about to slay. We're about to
Slay day.
ooh. Slay day.
Yeah, I just made that up. No one's ever said that before.
Yeah, I've said that. Hello.
No, I made it up.
No, you didn't.
No.
You guys let her know. Let Desi know she did not make it up.
No. Never heard it out of your mouth.
How'd it go?
Is it
It went good. It's just hot AF. Trying to get a little photo shoot, you know?
What's your Star Trek look right now?
Star Trek?
Star Trek.
Okay.
Super Star Trek.
Oh, bomb. Yes.
We got
Fire.
it. We got it.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Marky. And that's a wrap. Wait, can we talk about what's outside the... It's like a little grasshopper. Look at it. Okay, move now for the vlog, please. Hey, Les. Finally something healthy. Okay.
I've been eating healthy. You just ain't been catching on camera.
I'll be the judge of that.
Yeah. I just like the massage this morning.
It hurt.
It hurt?
Bad. I was like, the whole time. You could hear me. I was like really like in a lot of pain.
She was grunting and I was like, man, hang in there.
It hurt so bad, like my calves, because we did that hike. My calves were like, it hurt. Like I was like,
Yeah, she was deep, breathing super deep.
I'm like struggling with this fruit here. Like, what is happening here?
It's a clean cut.
No, the forks here are weird. Look.
And the knives aren't too sharp either. I think it's for good reason. Yeah, that's for good reason.
Look at this. This is what I deal with, you guys, every single day.
Diet
Okay.
starts back next week.
I'm always on my diet, so,
That's why you're fit and I'm not.
Exactly. We're spending the last day just chilling at the pool. Les and I are in the shade, okay? Everyone else is in the sun. It's too hot, you know? It's a little too hot.
Well, I am made to be free.
Last night, last dinner in Indonesia. Les is over there waiting for me to finish getting ready. Check me out real quick though. Barefoot, thugging it. Tonight's dinner outfit.
Wow. Picking up the camera like that.
There's so much I want to say, but I promise you it's going to be short and sweet.
Yes.
All I can say is this has by far been the most amazing glow camp I've ever been part of. And one of the reasons, you guys, you rock.
So
my
we're the
world,
best?
You,
Is
rock
that what
my
you're
world. You are fabulous.
We're the best, right?
I gotta
ever?
say, Shayla, you're right. Cheers. Love you, love you, love you. To transformation, to
Yes.
love, to celebration.
Yes. I have transformed, so.
between Chloe's ass cheeks.
Almost done.
Where's record on this one?
Oh yeah, it's the red button. Do I look cute or not?
Do you look cute at all?
That's what I'm asking you. Do I?
Do you? Yeah, you look cute.
Hi, puppies. Hi. Look at. They're like, we don't know you. Hey.
Oh no.
Go, 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 go.
Honey.
Ew.
Yes. They're clapping.
Oh, great. He's done for the night. Thank you. Remember when you said I was drunk a couple minutes ago? Ew. Oh my God, that just came off of my lip. Slay.
What is that?
It's an ant. Ugh.
Looking forward to it. It's supposed
Yes,
to
we
be
are.
deep tissue.
It's on you now.
We decided to go on a hike, so we're gonna go up there.
Ah! Babe, walk straight. You're drunk, okay? You're drunk.
Yeah, I just had, I think, 2 beers, so good luck to my lungs.
Moment with her little chickens.
I am. They're so cute. They're so cute. I just want one. But not in my home, Shayla says.
Good.
Another.
Cut scene. Cut.
You wanna say what's going on? You wanna talk to the camera? We're about to get killed. Yeah, we are. Hey, we're gonna hold it down though. I hope so. Yeah, I hope so. Is it still going?
Yeah.
Oh, you said cut.
Babe, I've been drinking.
Blooper reel. I don't know where this night is going. It shall be interesting.
It's hella dark.
It's all good. I'm Brian.
The local football field.
Why are you so close?
I was shooting a video.
And that's a wrap. Yeah, you were in it. It's fine.
Sorry.
It was fine. It's a vlog, you know, it's natural.